Hey, uh, this is the third tutorial. After we completed the bank and flow path XY lines and we draw all the lines, we need to complete the final step in the HEC Georas by use the Ras geometry. Going this way and save it at first. The river to the 10. Say yes. This is done. By the way, if you have like a structure, like a bridge, we have to identify this one also by use this like structural building, a bridge, culvert. We have to put these things also in the map and show it on the map. Then length station is calculated. Elevations, say yes. We'll extract the elevation from the TIM file. It's done now. Go to the XY river reach name. Let's assign it. Station. Let's assign it also. Bank stations. Yes. Done. Downstream reach length. Done. Deviations from 10. Done also. Now our modeling is ready for exported to the HEC. So for tutorial, we will be learn how can be transfer or export this modeling to the HEC to be working on the river, and in that way we will add the Manning coefficient and assign the river lines. See you next tutorial.